Hello, welcome to Math 253, Calculus 3 here at Cañada College. My name is Lapuz. In this video, we're going to do checkpoint 1.1. It says to sketch the curve described by the parametric equations x is equal to 3t plus 2, y is equal to t squared minus 1. And they give us a domain from minus 3 to positive 2. The way we're going to do this is we're going to plot some points. And the way we're going to plot points is that we're going to input a t-value, and for each t-value that we input, we're going to output not just a one number, but actually a pair of numbers, x and y. And they gave us a domain, so we're going to use our domain minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. For each of these t-values, we're going to plug it into the x and into y. So when we put it into the x for that first one, negative 3 times positive 3 is negative 9 plus 2 is 7, negative 7. But that's not our only output. We need a y value as well. So negative 3 squared is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So we have ourselves a point on the graph. And this is the point when t is equal to negative 3. Let's put negative 2 in. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6, plus 2 is negative 4. Negative 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. And then let's put 1 in. Let's put negative 1 in. That's going to be negative 3 plus 2. So that's negative 1. And then 1 in would be 1 squared. 1 minus 1 is 0. And we keep going with this. We're going to get a 2, negative 1, and for 1, we're going to get a 3 plus 2 is 5, and again 0, and then when we put 2 in there, we're going to get 8 comma 3. All right, we have a set of points, and let's try to graph it. I'm going to put a little bit more room for the negative x value. It looks like it's going to go a little bit more negative. And we're just going to plot some points. So we're going to mark off 7 in the negative direction. 6, 7, and let's go 8 going up. 6, 7, 8, negative 7 comma 8. Let's plot the point, but let's also label it so that we know what this point is in case our graph isn't really up to proportion. The next graph is negative 4 comma 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3 up, 1, 2, 3, negative 4 comma 3, negative 1 comma 0, that's this point. We have 2, 1, 2 comma negative 1. After that, a 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 0, and then 6, 7, 8, and up 3. So we have these points, and you can see what the graph is going to look like. Before I draw the graph, I'm going to mark these points with the specific t values that they correspond to. So this is when t is equal to negative 3. This is when t is equal to negative 2, etc. T equals negative 1, t equals 0, t equals 1, t equals 2. So we have all those values. Let's draw the graph. And I would just start here. The graph isn't going to go on forever because we have a specific domain. So let's draw the rest of this. And let's stop where we're supposed to stop. And one more thing that we should draw is the direction that this is going, because if it's a parametric curve, it's usually given a specific direction. So the direction that it's going to go would be from negative to positive. So it's going to go negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. One arrow we should probably do, but just in case, you can draw a few arrows to show which way it's going. All right, that is our first checkpoint.